Yo, family, one out Yo, Mario, one out of green. Where are you doing something? You have sense? One of the
I think everybody a poppy show.
You're not clown out the
What you do? And I go all the boy. I link up about what the hell? Yo, try that with Beanie Man them. I want to tell you.
You're the man that good. You're go up on the bad side.
No, I'm a Cobra card for the bad side. Come on, we show you.
I want to tell you.
Alright, swag. Me not even go over there with none of the entourage. 7-star step alone and go up on them territory. You understand? Because I went to see Cobra. Because remember, you know, we see him coming at the glee now and run off him out and say anything I got dead and more war the heaviest thing them in Jamaica. You know, L.A. Lewis, I'm one of the heaviest. So I'm going to find out why I'm up to. All of a sudden, look one name, Rattyman or why I'm one name, and some look at the rest of them. Like them are correlate general. So I'm telling them to keep calm. You understand? And tell them, so I want to see them boss. Them say the boss are there and the boss will talk to me. You understand? So I say, all right, I'm going to go my ways. You understand? I'm going to there, a futuristic down at Tivoli now, and we hear say, people call from all over the world, so them here say, Cobra beat up L.A. Lewis and Cobra youth them beat up. And one bagati I don't know nothing about. You understand? No, them will put up say them beat up L.A. Lewis. Tell them say, if them want war, them know me there. Me there garden every day. You understand? I'm there West Cumberland every night. Okay, you don't know, everybody knows up on the Gaza Strip, L.A. Lewis house there. You understand? None of them not live at Portmore. Them just come at Portmore. We know where them ends out of a Britain, and we know where them live or sing song over Ratty God. So you go on now. I don't know what I'm talking about, but a lyrical me say. So Cobra, if you're not coward, push a toe out. Because I use a theater pull, and you're the biggest theater pull of power. We should know that. But I don't ready for exclusive. Yo, I'm not ready for talk yet. We know the theater pull where you're power with it. The whole world know, but they're afraid for talk. Well, where to go from here, you know, is anywhere where them want to take it, but we know where we want to take it. Futuristic is all about music and all about entertaining the crowd to the highest. You understand? We are not Christmas bad man. We are not Santa Claus. 7-star general of the Illuminati, and them know that. You understand? So tell them, say, don't ramp with me. I told them already, you know. Don't make me track them by them GPS and send Adams go. That you are taught apart upon the TV. You understand? So if they want to take it lyrically, I'm ready for it. If it's physically, tell them, say, I may have the biggest organized crime force in the world, the POLICE. You understand? Our gun them license. So when them are ratted, a pop off gun, I recruit me send for. Because when I send for Adams and Bigger Ford and the whole upper camp, dog name them supper, a 7-star general, futuristic. I move with the government, represent the queen. But right now, I tell them, say, Cobra, you better don't run, boy, you better not hide. Mama kill level point to your head on your side. You this bad man now hide. From your soul, your body get divide. So a lyrical myself futuristic. You understand? So swag, you get the interview first. The boy them say them beat up L.A. Lewis. Nothing like that. You understand? No artist is over that camp. The only artist I know over there is Nuclear. And as I say, Nuclear is a part of the Gaza Federation. The whole of them are some baby pampas them. Them just each and Cobra look ass. You understand? So, if you're an artist on the drop lyrics, see that? I drop 2 lyrics already on YouTube. Because I put the work on YouTube. By next week now, Johnny Wonder have it. And from this week, a swag I take it to them. Because remember, on the first Earth and swag, you understand? A Wickedhype. I'm telling you something. When some look at that carry some things come go and put on the station, or to find out the real thing, and that's why I like Swag TV. Swag TV make sure come interview in an in-depth. You understand? Or they don't put up about LA Lewis get beat up and not leak the general. Remember, you know, everybody knows say, if you come up at the golf club on a Friday, you can find me anytime after 3:30. You understand? You come to Tivoli, I'm there on the strip, and on the Gaza, I'm there every night. You have one about rat is something, and snake. Remember, you know, snake is a thing where I'm crush out. It's a reptile. You understand? Rat is a rodent. A rat pie is a get a kill it. You understand? And I don't know about the other animal one over there. The only bad artist over there is Nuclear, and Nuclear under our camp. You understand? So I don't know if Nuclear got switch, but you don't know. I have an eye on him, but I respect him said way. But Cobra, me now wait for Sting, start the war now, lyrically. You don't have no Cobra. You look a long time lyrics and now work. It's not champ, and is that Heineken Star Time? Is that veteran action? This is champion in action. So I tell them say, Bad man a run from idiot. A bad man a from war. Tell some boy make the war. Something say them better is somebody over not. Again, well I just gone here, gone over there. Tell Cobra say the war make him life disappear. Shot all him get the whore rocking at the chair. Go to give father if you a slice up here. He run with the shot and gun and the spear. Your mama start Bobby shot out the fast year car. Bad man just don't care. Future is a run from idiot. A bad man a from I'm out of here, you don't know. You first hear it on Swag TV. Savo! So it's a bowlius. Cobra, push your foot up and shoot it off.